Computer system. One of the basic and main tools in the world of information and communication technology is a computer. Since its beginning, it has come to play an essential role in the human being life, and we don't imagine life without this important tool. Main elements. A computer system is the one that is composed by device or physical components, hardware, that interact through a set of established rules, software, in order to reach an objective. Hardware is defined as a joint of components of physical devices that intervene in a computer system. The components of a computer can be classified according to the function they perform: input devices, output devices, processing, and storage. Storage devices. They are the ones that permit to store and to save information. These are classified in main and secondary memory. Processing devices. The central process unit, also called CPU, is the component in charge to transform data and information. It is considered as the brain of the computer, where most of the operations are carried out. Software. It is a set of instructions or programs that are introduced in a computer in order to carry out a process. To order a grade of various software, they are classified in system software and application software. Operative system. The operative system is the most important program of a computer. It is defined as a program that permits the user to take control of the computer, both software and hardware, so he or she can administrate it to reach good performance. Functions. Some of the main functions of the operative system are: interpret and execute instructions through an interface that provides to the user, optimize communication between input and output devices, coordinates the processing of tasks. Types of interface. It is the presentation of the medium where the user introduces orders or commands to the operative system, and this through hardware. The interface is the communications means through which the user interacts with the software. Command line interface. In this type of interface, the operative system provides a command line in which the user introduces the instructions or commands before the characters. Graphical interface. In this interface, the execution of commands and programs is achieved by selecting figures or icons that represent them, or by displaying menus or windows. Windows 7. Graphical environment of operation. Windows is the operative system that dominates the market of computer, which since operation has had different versions. Each of them is presented with updates. Next are some of them: Windows 1X, Windows 2X, Windows 3X, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows ME, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8. Desktop. Once Windows is loaded in the memory, there appears a window called Desktop, from which the user takes the control of the computer. Possibly it is a little different from the one that you have in your computer, because Windows permits to organize and to personalize it. The working area is composed by the following elements: desktop, mouse pointer, icons, taskbar. Jump list. The version of Windows 7 includes the characteristic of the list called jump list for the start menu on the taskbar. The jump list are lists of recent applications as files, folders, or web pages organized by the program determined to open it. All programs. The option All Programs shows a complete list of the programs installed on the computer. Find programs and files. The Start menu includes also a search box, which you use to find files, folders, programs, and messages of emails stored in the computer. The right pane of the Start menu shows indispensable elements of Windows, which are User, Documents, Music, Computer, Control pane, Printers and faxes, Help and Support, Dialog boxes, and Task pane. Basic tasks of Windows 7. Personalize the computer. Change the image of the user's account. Personalize the sound system. Personalize the color of the window. Change the background desktop. Order icons on the desktop. Personalize the mouse. Change the screensaver. Personalize the icons on the desktop. Edition options. Other characteristic of Windows are the edition options. This permits to cut, copy, paste, eliminate any files or folders. Besides, it has the option to create a new folder. The recycle bin. The recycle bin is used as a file container, where it is stored temporary deleted files. This permits to recover those files deleted by accident and recovers from the original locations. There are some special tasks of Windows 7, which includes backup and restore. The option Backup and Restores permits you to create backups of the personal files that you consider the most important, so you remain prepared for any contingency that may occur in your computer equipment. Firewall. A firewall is a whole system of defense, blocking or allowing the passage of information from the internet and prevents the hacker or people who have access to computer equipment. What a firewall do is to create a wall between the internet and computer, like a physical wall. Antivirus. Antivirus software prevents, detects, and performs permanent actions to delete and or remove malware, such as the virus. A virus is a program designed intentionally to interfere the good performance of the computer equipment. Windows Ready Boost. One way to optimize the performance of the computer when working with daily tasks is through Windows Ready Boost. Windows Ready Boost function is to help the equipment to improve the performance when memory starts running slowly. The low memory can cause the computer to operate slowly because Windows needs a place to store data and therefore resorts to hard disks. Windows Memory Diagnostic Tools. The random access memory, RAM, in certain moment could present problems and do not work in the optimal way. Generally, the operative system Windows detects these fails and displays a window requesting if it's necessary to execute a tool of diagnostic memory. Windows Movie Maker. Movie Maker is a free program of Windows that permits you to create and share movies through that you design. It forms part of Windows Essentials, which gives you a possibility to download, besides the program, other programs like photographs, instant messages, emails, social networks, etc. Movie Maker is not included in the version of Windows 7. However, you can work with our videos and photographs in Windows 7 through the installation of Movie Maker.